Hi, I'm Vic, and this is a topographical survey plan. Before you spend millions building your dream home, this document shows you exactly what you're working with on your land. Let me explain why this is non-negotiable for your project. A topographical survey is a detailed map showing your land's natural features like hills and slopes, plus man-made features like buildings and roads. But here's the key difference. It shows the height of your land. Those curved lines show how your land goes up and down. And here's my advice. Even if it's not always required, if your lot has slopes, different elevations, or is not clearly flat, it's much better to get this done just to make sure. This survey prevents three major problems that can destroy your investment. First, flooding. In Barangay Santa Monica and Malabon, multi-million peso houses became permanently flooded because nobody checked the land's height before building. Second, foundation failures. The UN Office for Disaster Risk Reduction documented cases where builders put cement into water-filled holes, foundations that couldn't hold up the house. Third, cost overruns on slopes. Houses in Tagaytay, Antipolo, or Baguio need foundations that cost as much as building an entire house on flat land. I've seen foundation budgets double because the slope wasn't checked at the start. So what does this survey show? Your licensed geodetic engineer will measure heights at different spots on your property, find where water naturally flows, and mark existing buildings, trees, and utility lines. All of this goes into a plan with measurements and coordinates your architect will use. For flat lots, surveyors use traditional ground tools and GPS. For sloped lots or larger areas, they might use drones or laser scanning. You'll get printed plans and digital CAD files that your architect uses to place your house correctly, design drainage, and make sure your house works with the land. In short, when you're putting 7, 8, 10 million pesos into your home, a topo survey protects you from flooding, foundation failures, and cost overruns. It gives your architect the correct information to design a home that fits your lot. Trying to save money here costs you everything. Now that you know what's on top of your land, you need to know what's underneath. Even with perfect height information, if your soil can't hold your foundation, you're in trouble. I made a video about soil testing, watch it next. These two surveys show you the complete picture of what you're building on. Don't skip either one.